So today we are going to be doing a room tour of my room. Let's get started. Okay, so this is my room. It's beach themed. So there's my Jesus picture and some dolphins, seashells, and some more seashells I got on the beach. And I got that at the DI, so I got that turtle from my mom and dad's bedroom. And some seashells that I found on the beach. They're really cool. And then the I'm a Child of God picture. It was really hard because wouldn't stay up. And then my prayer rock, my family picture, my picture of my dad, and some seashells and the pineapple. Okay, so this is my will and my sign and the bee. That stands for my name, Bella. So this is my TV and my big drawer with some leaves up top. So this is my drawer for my stuffed animals. And the unicorn smells like marshmallows. And it's a pick-me pop. Okay, so this is my chest. It has my M&M blanket, and I put my other blanket in it and 2 other pillows. And over here is my pillows. There's my pineapple pillow. There's my I love you to the beach and back pillow. There's my ABCD, the alphabet pillow. There's a marshmallow I found that peeked through.
I'm here too, guys.
And there's a pillow. Pineapples on it. There's my bear that I got all the way from California. And there's my pink Stitch. There's my normal Stitch. So here's my beach chair. Like you can rock on it, it's fun. Okay, so here's my unicorn ball. And it's very bouncy. Fun to play with. So there's my unicorn.
Galaxy Heroes!
Woo! So this is my pillowcase that I got on my cruise. And while we were coloring it, we were watching Ice Age. And it's in Spanish, so it was hard to tell. So this is my bed skirt. Like a hula thing. And it goes all the way around my bed. Okay, so this is my fishing net. So this is my dog, Duke. And my mermaid pillow. He's so cute. And so here's a marshmallow. I'm just gonna eat the last one. There we go. So here's my money. Here, just put it in a drawer. Close it. Okay, so this is my little dolphin thing. I can hold stuff. It's really cool. So that sign right there says I love you to the moon back. And there's a lamp. Like a little thing right there.
And it's blue.
My lamp. I love it because it's like blue majestic. So next is my wallpaper right there. And so, yeah. So this is my bathroom. And there's my sink, there's my soap, there's my shower curtain, there's my sign. So here's my bucket full of seashells. They're pretty. And here's another jar full of seashells. I like those. And there's my dolphin. So There's my curtain again. There's my tub. And there's my sign. So there's my signs, my towel, and then the back of my door. There's my dolphin saying in my hand towel. And there's my Hawaiian beautiful lights right up there. And there's my starfish sign and my seahorse. Okay, so this is my outfit for tomorrow. And then my shoes and my heels. There's me dancing. There's my baptism dress and my clothes. Shirts. There's the jacket, some bags. So here's my earrings. So this is my outfit instead of the other outfit. And my shoes. Here's a quick clip of my outfit. There's my shoes. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.